Indian Desi ghee is more than an ingredient. It is a memory of warmth, tradition, and homemade goodness. Consumers still remember the rich, nutty, sweet aroma of ghee made traditionally by mothers and grandmothers. In large-scale ghee manufacturing, especially with direct cream butter processes, the natural traditional aroma can often become flat or neutral. GheeFlav is designed to help manufacturers restore the rich, satisfying taste and aroma of traditional Desi ghee. It enhances the sensory profile of Desi ghee, giving products a fuller, warmer, and more memorable ghee character. GheeFlav is suitable for Desi ghee, Indian sweets, Mithai, bakery, and dairy-based products. With 4 carefully developed profiles ranging from acidic, fatty, nutty, to cheesy notes, manufacturers can select the right profile for their product. GheeFlav is alcohol-free and made in accordance with global food quality standards. With GheeFlav, manufacturers can bring back the authentic taste, aroma, and emotional connection of traditional Desi ghee. For further assistance, contact Geocon products at info@geoconproducts.com or call +91 97695 93030.